the Shelley Studio, and today's acrylic April video. This is Bob Burridge's other technique for trees. And this one, you'll see soon, is easy to remember the name. It's the drip method. So what he did was layers of colors and started with the lightest one first and went towards the dark. And I think I started my trees a little high, so they're going to be very tall. But it was a really fun project, and I hope you enjoy it. So once all the layers are done, the next idea is to do some negative shape painting, and with a big brush. So yeah, that's fun. So I'm just mixing a little bit of blue, and I add a little bit of yellow, wanting it to be kind of warm. And we're going to go in there and try to make a background. And with this one, I don't even wait till the next day. Yep, I'm putting it in today. Here we go. We're going to show scale. See my little carrot people? Anyway, I hope you're enjoying Acrylic April. I hope you're giving some of these a try. Check the links below if you want to see my playlist if you missed one. And also the link to the Art Sherpa who started Acrylic April. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, think about subscribing. Hit that bell icon to get notifications of when I upload, which is pretty regularly Wednesday and Saturday, when it's not every day, like April. Anyways, thanks all for watching, and I just have a few more things I do to finish up this piece, and then there'll be some close-ups at the end.